Hey Ellen, my name's Esther and I am from Toronto, Canada. Yes, there is a polar bear in my driveway and I'm about to ride it. I'm only kidding. Anyways, I am a huge fan of yours and it would be an honor to come on your show. So here I am presenting my hidden talent. I happen to be an amazing fake sneezer. Yeah, I said it, fake sneezer. So here I am, gonna show you my talent. Here goes. What was the other one? Ooh, sorry about that. Anyways, I hope you see this live. Hint, hint. Anyways, Ellen, you're the best. You're hysterical. I love you. Thanks.